Without doubt, one of the best features on the Roland SPD SX Pro is its pad sequence feature. Now what does this mean? Well, let's say you're playing a kick and a snare like this. And you want to play some other stuff. And you don't want to keep switching pads. Well, that's where the pad sequence comes in. All you have to do to make this work is we go up to Kit Edit 1, we go to pad sequence, and then we're going to choose the number of steps in our sequence, because we're going to make the kick and the snare work on the same pad. So I'm going to make a 2-step sequence in my case, and all I'm going to do is hit set. I'm going to play the bass drum or the kick on 1, and then I'm going to play the snare drum on the 2. Now all I need to do to make this work properly is I need to set which pad I would like that to actually run from. So I'm going to select pad 1, I'm going to hit set, and I'm going to hit done. Now if I come off that, what we see is that on pad 1, we've suddenly got a kick and a snare. So if I want to go, so now that we've made it work, why don't we be a little bit more creative and make a longer sequence? If you're wondering how I got these cool patches and sounds that you've never seen before, well, they're part of the Yurtrock expansion pack, of which I did a video about on the channel recently. So you can see that by clicking the link in the description below. Let's get a different patch up for now though, one of the built-in ones, and we're going to try and be a little bit more creative. Let's use tablet and pot drum, a favourite of mine. So we're going to go back to menu, we're going to go to pad sequence, and this time I'm going to leave it on 8, okay? I'm going to go set, and I'm going to play just a random set of notes. Now I'm going to again put this on pad 1, and I'm going to go set, and done, great. Little bit of random playing for you there, and that's how the step sequence works on the Roland SPD SX Pro.